Yo, what's up, peeps? It's Dex Boy coming at you today with a different kind of review, unboxing. Say hi, baby. Say hi for daddy. Oh, don't fall. Say hi.
Hi.
Say I love you.
Hello.
Say daddy. Say baby. Say pretty baby. Yes, you are pretty. Kind of show you guys what it's like where I live. This is my backyard, guys. It's the Big River. That's what it's called. As you can see, we got the pavilion for partying. Really big fields. Alright, come back! Alright, well, let's get into this unboxing. I'm gonna have to go away for a second, hold on. Rayleigh, come back up here. Come on, Rayleigh, get back up here. Alright, well, that's what she looks like down in there. Let's pull out, got me a new Berlin wood. As I mentioned before in my video earlier, I'm switching my preference to Berlin woods and Lancaster decks only. FBS. Some more FBS. Stickers. There's a bunch of stickers in here, guys. Just do it like this. Like a dark wood sticker. Berlin wood sticker. Oh, sick. I love these stickers because of these little Berlin wood things. Cut them out and stick them on your deck. They look sick. And there's a bunch of flatface wheel stickers down there. A couple cubes. A bunch of flatface wheel stickers. Whoa. I love these flatface wheel stickers too. But yeah, there's a bunch of stickers in there. I would take them all out, but the wind's blowing. So I got 2 packs of FBS, a bunch of stickers, and my new Berlin wood. Alright, guys. Peace. Now you got to see a little bit of my world. Come down here every morning. Alright, that's too far. Come on. Come on. That's too close. Come on. No, come on. Anyway, yeah, Dexpo 9090. Peace.